Hello again, everyone. We have prepared this video to show you the different accessories that you can add to your alarms for home. To install all these accessories, it is necessary to already have a host alarm in your house and at least one remote to control it, although if you need more controls, we can provide them. You can install one or more motion detectors inside the house to warn you if they detect an intruder. These sensors are very accurate and work really well. Although we have other types of detectors, like curtain sensors that have a very narrow angle of detection. Ceiling sensors can be placed in the center of the room to cover up to 6 by 6 meters. If you prefer, we have wired motion detectors to avoid using batteries. To protect the outdoor, the simplest way is a wireless motion sensor against small pets. To avoid false alarms, the double optic sensor will have a more precise detection. We also have wired anti-small pet sensors outdoors in a very stable manner. In addition to the remote controls, you can control the alarm with a keyboard that is necessary to enter a password for before entering the house. The panic or SOS buttons are in high demand for places with elderly people, where with a push of a button, you can warn other users. Another very common way to protect your home is with door and window sensors. This type of sensor will stick on a window or a door so that if both parts separate, the alarm will be activated. We have this type of opening detector with a wired connection if you don't want to waste batteries. The garage door opening detector is often used in this environment, as it includes everything you'll need for installation. A vibration sensor is very useful to receive a notification before a thief can enter your house, since it will detect blows or any attempts if they hit the area where it is installed. The fire sensor will activate an alarm on detection of high temperature or smoke. Another wired detector used mostly for businesses is the glass break sensor. The gas detector will alert you to the presence of a gas leak in your home. Install a flood detector in kitchens, bathrooms to quickly tell you if there is a water leak. You can protect the outside of your home with a beam detector that will be activated if someone passes through the lines that connect both parts. The perimeter sensor with solar charge will avoid any cables and is very effective in covering large distances outdoors. If you have a wired installation, you can use the beam sensor with up to 150 meters of detection between. With siren alarms, the model most included in kits sounds very loud with about 100 decibels of volume. We also have sirens with brightness and with sound to alert in alarm situations. If you prefer to install an outdoor siren so it can be heard better, we have models with sound up to 120 decibels in volume. If you cannot power the speaker, this model with an internal battery can be charged by a solar panel and will allow you to install it in places further away from the host. Combining all these accessories, you can assemble your alarm system in a very simple way. If you have any questions, leave us your comments at the bottom of the video or visit our website. where you'll be able to find all the products we showed you in this video.